Cybersecurity Threats in 2023, Protecting Your Digital Life. Introduction. In an era dominated by technology and interconnectedness, the significance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. As we step into 2023, the digital landscape continues to evolve, bringing with it new challenges and threats. From sophisticated cyber attacks to emerging trends in online threats, individuals and organizations must remain vigilant to safeguard their digital lives. In this video, we will explore the cybersecurity threats that are expected to be prominent in 2023 and discuss proactive measures to protect yourself in an increasingly interconnected world. 1. Evolving cyber threat landscape. The cyber threat landscape is dynamic, and threat actors are becoming more sophisticated in their methods. In 2023, we can expect an increase in the frequency and complexity of cyber attacks. Threats such as ransomware, phishing, and zero-day exploits are likely to persist, targeting both individuals and businesses. Ransomware attacks, in particular, have been on the rise, with cyber criminals targeting critical infrastructure, healthcare systems, and financial institutions. These attacks often result in data breaches, financial losses, and significant disruptions to operations. 2. Ransomware, a growing menace. Ransomware has emerged as one of the most pervasive and damaging cybersecurity threats. In 2023, ransomware attacks are expected to become more sophisticated, with threat actors employing advanced techniques to evade detection and enhance their malicious capabilities. The targets of these attacks are diverse, ranging from large enterprises to small businesses and even individual users. To protect against ransomware, individuals and organizations should prioritize regular data backups, employ robust endpoint protection solutions, and stay informed about the latest threat intelligence. Training employees to recognize phishing attempts and adopting a proactive cybersecurity stance are crucial steps in mitigating the risk of falling victim to a ransomware attack. 3. Phishing attacks and social engineering. Phishing attacks, often facilitated through social engineering tactics, remain a prevalent threat to cybersecurity. In 2023, we can anticipate more sophisticated phishing schemes that leverage psychological manipulation and exploit human vulnerabilities. These attacks may involve the use of deceptive emails, fake websites, and targeted messages to trick individuals into divulging sensitive information or clicking on malicious links. To counter phishing threats, individuals should be cautious about clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. Verifying the authenticity of emails and messages, especially those requesting sensitive information, is crucial. Organizations should implement robust email filtering systems, conduct regular employee training on phishing awareness, and encourage the use of multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. 4. Internet of Things, IoT, vulnerabilities. The proliferation of Internet of Things, IoT devices poses new challenges for cybersecurity. As more devices become interconnected, the attack surface for cyber threats expands, offering malicious actors additional entry points to compromise security. In 2023, we can expect an increase in attacks targeting vulnerabilities in IoT devices, ranging from smart home gadgets to industrial sensors. Securing IoT devices requires a multifaceted approach, including regular software updates, strong password policies, and the use of secure communication protocols. Manufacturers must prioritize building security into the design of IoT devices, and users should be vigilant in configuring devices with security best practices. Additionally, organizations should implement network segmentation to isolate IoT devices from critical systems, reducing the potential impact of a compromise. 5. Supply chain attacks. Supply chain attacks involve targeting vulnerabilities within the interconnected network of suppliers and service providers that support an organization. In 2023, supply chain attacks are expected to become more sophisticated and widespread. Threat actors may exploit weaknesses in third-party software, compromise software updates, or infiltrate the supply chain to introduce malicious components into products or services. Organizations must conduct thorough risk assessments of their supply chain, vetting vendors for cybersecurity practices and ensuring the integrity of software updates. Employing intrusion detection systems, conducting regular security audits, and fostering transparency and collaboration within the supply chain are essential measures to protect against these insidious attacks. 6. Artificial intelligence and machine learning threats. While AI and ML technologies offer significant advancements in cybersecurity, they also introduce new threats. In 2023, we may witness the malicious use of AI to enhance the effectiveness of cyber attacks. Threat actors could leverage AI-driven techniques to automate the identification of vulnerabilities, improve evasion tactics, and optimize the delivery of targeted attacks. To defend against AI and ML threats, organizations should implement AI-driven cybersecurity solutions that can effectively detect and respond to evolving threats. Security professionals must stay ahead of the curve by continuously updating their skills and knowledge in AI and ML technologies. Additionally, fostering collaboration between security experts and AI developers is crucial for developing adaptive defenses against AI-driven cyber threats. 7. Quantum computing and cryptographic vulnerabilities. As quantum computing continues to advance, the traditional cryptographic methods that underpin cybersecurity may become vulnerable. In 2023, the potential for quantum computers to break widely used encryption algorithms poses a significant threat to the confidentiality and integrity of sensitive data. To mitigate the risk posed by quantum computing, organizations should begin adopting quantum-resistant cryptographic algorithms. This proactive approach ensures that data remains secure even in the face of advancements in quantum technology. Cryptographers and security researchers are actively working on developing and standardizing post-quantum cryptographic algorithms to prepare for the quantum threat. Conclusion. As we navigate the complex and ever-evolving digital landscape of 2023, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. The threats outlined in this article represent just a fraction of the challenges individuals and organizations may face in the coming year. It is imperative to adopt a proactive and holistic approach to cybersecurity, encompassing advanced technologies, user education, and collaborative efforts across industries. By staying informed about emerging threats, implementing robust security measures, and fostering the culture of cybersecurity awareness, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of falling victim to cyber attacks. As technology continues to advance, so must our commitment to safeguarding our digital lives, ensuring a secure and resilient future in the face of evolving cyber threats. If our esteemed audience have any tech topic ideas you want us to vlog about, please put your suggestions in the comments section and we will be glad to respond. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.